Collecting memories, the art of cherishing moments. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that touches the heart: collecting memories. This phrase is not just about remembering past events, it's about cherishing and preserving the moments that make our lives special. Let's explore what it means to collect memories and how this concept can enrich our lives. Collecting memories refers to the act of gathering and cherishing moments from our lives that have significant emotional value. Unlike physical objects, memories are intangible treasures that we carry within us. They can be happy or sad, monumental or mundane, but they all contribute to the tapestry of our life story. Collecting memories is about more than just recalling events. It's about holding on to the feelings and lessons those moments bring. Collecting memories is crucial because it connects us to our past, shapes our identity, and guides our future. Memories remind us of who we are, where we've come from, and what we've experienced. They can provide comfort, inspiration, and guidance as we navigate life's challenges. Additionally, sharing memories can help strengthen relationships with others, creating a shared history that binds us together. Collecting memories doesn't require any special tools or methods. It's something we all do naturally. However, there are ways to enhance this process. Journaling. Writing down thoughts and experiences can help preserve details that might fade over time. Photography and videography. Capturing moments in visual form can trigger stronger recollections and emotions. Creating traditions. Regularly celebrating events or creating rituals with loved ones can build a collection of cherished memories. Mindfulness. Being fully present in the moment allows us to experience it deeply, making it easier to recall later. Collecting memories is a powerful way to celebrate life, embrace growth, and connect with others. It's about valuing every moment, big or small, and recognizing the beauty in the journey. We hope this video inspires you to cherish and collect your own memories, weaving them into the unique story of your life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language and its beautiful expressions.